It was a rainy Monday morning. The city was wrapped in a gray mist and raindrops tapped steadily against the glass, creating a soft, rhythmic soundtrack to the start of the week. The streets glistened with reflections of neon lights and passing cars, while umbrellas bobbed along the sidewalks. Two co-workers, Emma and Jack, walked into the office together, shaking droplets from their coats and sharing a brief, silent glance as they entered the warm lobby. The air inside was filled with the scent of fresh coffee and the quiet hum of computers starting up. Emma looked out the window and sighed, thinking, "What a gloomy day. This weather ruins everything." She felt her energy dip, imagining the long, dreary hours ahead. The rain seemed to echo her mood, making her feel isolated and unmotivated. Jack, on the other hand, smiled and said, "I love the rain. It makes the world feel clean and fresh." For him, the rain was a welcome change, a chance to slow down and appreciate the beauty in small things. He felt inspired, ready to tackle the day with renewed enthusiasm. Both saw the same rain, but each felt something very different. Their perspectives colored the world around them, turning the same scene into two completely different experiences. Their moods and actions for the day would follow the paths set by their first thoughts. Emma found it hard to concentrate, her mind wandering to thoughts of sunshine and better days. Jack, meanwhile, dove into his work, energized by the sound of rain against the window. This simple story shows the heart of perception. It's not just what happens to us, but how we interpret it. That shapes our reality. What we see is often shaped by what we feel inside. Our emotions act like filters, coloring every moment with shades of hope or gloom, excitement or dread. The world outside is only part of the story. The rain falls on everyone, but the meaning it carries is unique to each person. The world inside our minds is just as important. Our thoughts and feelings create a private landscape, shaping how we respond to every situation. That's why, the same moment can look bright to one person and dark to another. Even when we share the same space, our experiences can be worlds apart. We all have moments like this. Sometimes, a small shift in perspective can change everything, turning a challenge into an opportunity or a setback into a lesson. Our minds can turn the same event into something good or bad. The stories we tell ourselves shape our reactions, our relationships, and even our happiness. The power to shape our world often starts with the way we see it. By choosing our perspective, we can influence not just our own mood, but the atmosphere around us. In this essay, we will explore the true power of perception and how it shapes everything around us. By understanding our viewpoints, we can learn to see the world and ourselves in a new light. Perception is the way our mind understands and makes sense of what we see, hear, or feel. It's the process that allows us to interpret the world around us, turning raw sensory data into meaningful experiences. Every moment, our senses are gathering information: light, sound, touch, taste, and smell, and our brain is working behind the scenes to piece it all together. It's not just the act of seeing or hearing. Perception goes beyond simply receiving information. It's about how we interpret and respond to it. For example, two people might walk down the same street, but notice completely different things, depending on what they're focused on or what matters to them. It is how we give meaning to the things around us. A child might see a butterfly and feel wonder, while an adult might barely notice it. Our minds are constantly assigning value and significance to what we encounter, shaping our emotional responses and memories. Our brains take in information from our senses and turn it into understanding. This transformation is complex and unique to each person. We don't just absorb facts, we interpret them, connect them to our past experiences, and use them to make sense of new situations. This process is happening all the time, whether we notice it or not. Even when we're lost in thought or distracted, our brains are filtering and organizing sensory input, helping us navigate the world safely and efficiently. Every color, sound, and touch goes through a filter in our minds. This filter helps us focus on what's important and ignore what's not, but it can also cause us to miss things or misunderstand situations. This filter is shaped by our past, our hopes, and our fears. Our memories, beliefs, and expectations all play a role in how we perceive the present moment. What we've experienced before can color how we see things now, sometimes without us even realizing it. Because of this, two people can have very different ideas about the same thing. One person might see a painting as beautiful, while another finds it confusing. Our unique perspectives mean that reality is not the same for everyone. Perception is important because it guides how we react to the world. The way we interpret events influences our choices, our relationships, and even our sense of self. It shapes our attitudes and behaviors, often in ways we don't consciously notice. If we see a challenge as a disaster, we may feel afraid. Our perception can trigger stress and anxiety, making obstacles seem bigger than they really are. This can hold us back from taking action or trying new things. If we see it as a chance to learn, we may feel excited. A positive perspective can turn difficulties into opportunities for growth, helping us build confidence and resilience over time. Our perception can even shape our health, our happiness, and our success. Studies show that people who view life optimistically tend to cope better with stress and enjoy better overall well-being. The way we interpret our experiences can influence our motivation, our relationships, and our ability to achieve our goals. Understanding perception gives us a powerful tool. By becoming aware of how we interpret the world, we can start to question our assumptions and choose more helpful ways of seeing things. This self-awareness can lead to greater emotional balance and personal growth. It means that we have some control over how we experience life. While we can't always change what happens to us, we can change how we perceive and respond to it. This ability gives us the freedom to shape our own reality, even in difficult times. The way we look at things can lift us up or bring us down. By choosing to see challenges as opportunities and focusing on the positive, we can create a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Perception is not just a passive process, it's an active force that shapes who we are and how we live every day. Think of perception like a pair of glasses. Imagine two people wearing glasses with different colored lenses. One person's glasses are tinted blue, the others are tinted yellow. If they both look at a white wall, one sees it as blue and the other as yellow. The wall itself doesn't change, but the color does, because of the lens. This is how our minds work every day. Our lenses are made up of our beliefs, our mood, and even what we expect to see. Sometimes we may not even know we are wearing these mental glasses, but they change everything we notice. That is why two friends can go to the same movie and leave with very different opinions. One might think it was moving and beautiful, while the other found it boring. They watched the same scenes, but their minds told different stories. Realizing we all wear these lenses can help us understand others better. It reminds us to pause before judging someone else's point of view. In 2015, a picture of a dress took the internet by storm. Some people saw it as blue and black, others swore it was white and gold. Friends argued, families debated, and scientists got involved. How could people look at the same image and see such different things? The answer lies in perception. Our brains try to make sense of light and color using the information they have. The lighting in the photo was tricky, so different people's brains made different guesses. Some adjusted for a shadow, others for a bright light. This small change in perception made all the difference. This dress debate became a worldwide lesson in perception. It showed that even basic things like color can be seen differently. It made many realize that our minds are not always right, and that others may see the world in ways we cannot imagine. The dress story reminds us that our senses do not just record facts. They help us build our own version of reality, shaped by what we already know and believe. The way we see things, our perception, quietly shapes the choices we make every single day, often without us even realizing it. From the moment we wake up, our minds are constantly interpreting the world around us, coloring our experiences and guiding our decisions, big and small. Imagine, for a moment, two students sitting side by side, both about to take the same challenging math test. On the surface, their situation is identical, but what's happening inside their minds is completely different. One student sees the test as an exciting opportunity, a chance to prove their skills and learn something new. Their heart might race with anticipation, but they feel ready to tackle the challenge. The other student, however, views the test as a looming threat, a trap set to reveal their weaknesses and shortcomings. Anxiety takes over, making it hard to focus. So, who is more likely to do well? The answer isn't just about who studied harder or who is naturally gifted. The real difference often comes down to perception, the lens through which each student views the situation. This lens can either empower us or hold us back. Perception can make us brave, giving us the courage to face challenges head-on, or it can fill us with fear, causing us to hesitate or avoid new experiences altogether. It can push us to step outside our comfort zones and try new things, or it can keep us stuck in the same routines, repeating old habits day after day. When we believe in our ability to learn and grow, we're far more likely to take risks, embrace challenges, and discover new paths we never imagined possible. This mindset opens up a world of opportunities. But if we see ourselves as fixed, unchangeable, or not good enough, we may give up before we even start. We might avoid challenges, fearing failure more than we desire growth. Our choices are not just shaped by what happens to us, but by how we interpret and respond to those events. Two people can experience the same situation and walk away with completely different feelings and decisions, all because of their unique perspectives. This truth applies everywhere, in our workplaces, in our schools, and in our friendships. The way we perceive others and ourselves influences how we connect, collaborate, and support one another. Sometimes, simply changing the way we look at a situation can reveal opportunities we never noticed before. What once seemed like a closed door can suddenly swing open, inviting us to step through. Each new day is like standing at a crossroads, offering us a fresh chance to choose our path. Our perception acts as a compass, guiding us toward growth, happiness, and fulfillment. With a simple shift in perception, even the hardest times can become stepping stones to something better. Challenges transform into lessons, setbacks become setups for future success, and every choice becomes an opportunity to shape our lives in meaningful ways. Our expectations shape what we see. If we expect things to go wrong, we notice every mistake. If we expect good things, we see chances and hope. This is called a self-fulfilling prophecy. Our beliefs set the stage for what comes next. Scientists have studied this idea. In one famous experiment, teachers were told that some students were late bloomers and would do very well. These students were chosen at random. But by the end of the year, many of them did improve. Why? Because the teachers' higher expectations changed how they treated those students. Beliefs are powerful. They can lift us up or hold us back. Sometimes, we don't even know we have certain beliefs until we stop and think about them. By checking our beliefs, we can start to see the world in new ways. Changing expectations does not mean ignoring real problems. It means being open to new outcomes and believing that change is possible. Can we change the way we see things? The answer is yes. The first step is to notice our thoughts. When we feel upset or afraid, we can ask, is there another way to look at this? This simple question can open up new ideas. Next, we can practice seeing the good in situations. This does not mean pretending bad things do not happen. It means looking for what we can learn or how we can grow. Every setback can teach us something if we let it. Another step is to listen to others. When we hear how they see things, we can understand new points of view. This helps us become more flexible and kind. Finally, we should remember that changing our perception is a skill. It takes practice. Over time, our minds can become more open and positive. There are many stories of people who changed their lives by changing their perception. For example, Oprah Winfrey grew up in poverty and faced many struggles. She could have seen only limits, but she chose to see possibilities. Her belief in herself helped her become one of the world's most successful women. Another story is about a soldier who lost his leg in battle. At first, he felt broken, but later, he saw his injury as a chance to inspire others. He became a champion for people with disabilities, showing what was possible. These stories remind us that we are not stuck with one way of seeing the world. When we find new meaning in our experiences, good or bad, we unlock new strength. Changing perception doesn't mean life becomes perfect. It means we become stronger, wiser, and more hopeful. Perception is the quiet force shaping every part of our lives. It is the lens through which we see challenges, the filter for every joy and sorrow. When we change this lens, we change our world. To use the power of perception, start with awareness. Notice your thoughts and feelings. Be curious about other points of view. Practice seeing opportunities instead of just problems. Over time, this can lead to more happiness and success. Remember, you cannot control everything that happens, but you can choose how you see it. With practice, you can turn even hard days into chances for growth. In the end, perception is not just about seeing, it is about creating the world you want to live in, one thought at a time.